let me show you what WhatsApp looks like on the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, also how to install it and also how to use it. So first, if you want to install the WhatsApp on your watch, you simply swipe up and go to the Play Store. As you see, it already offers it for me since I have it installed on my phone. If it doesn't, you can simply click here on the search, click here and simply enter WhatsApp and you'll be able to find and download. But I'm simply going to click here and you want to simply click install. And once you have the WhatsApp installed, simply go in your app list and see at the end you will have it. So let's open it up and set it up. Then you simply need to open up your phone. So you also need to have obviously WhatsApp installed on your phone for it to work. So if you have it, you will see this screen. And okay, so you see, need to confirm the code, pair and confirm. Okay, then simply wait till fetch everything and log you in. Yep, want to allow the notifications. And the next time you open up your WhatsApp, it will simply load all your contacts you have on your WhatsApp. I only have one contact. So, and if you click on the contact, you can send him some messages, or obviously you can also receive messages from him. As you see, not only you can receive text messages, but also even pictures as well. And also even voice messages as well. And if you want to write a message, simply click here. I see you have some quick presets that you can send, or also you can click here and simply type something. And once done, you can simply click this and you see the message will get sent, and I just received on this other phone. Yeah, obviously you can also send voice message. So click and hold this. Okay, just click. Hey, what's up, sucker? How are you doing today? And send a voice message. And you see I just received a voice message now. Hey, what's up, sucker? How are you doing today? So, absolutely awesome. Also, we have the voice typing here as well. So if you click on the keyboard, click here, you want to simply swipe up. Then you see, for example, you have the voice typing. Okay, I love this. Hey, what's up? What are you doing today? So yeah, this obviously is like 50 times faster. Okay, and if someone sends you a message, I see you received on the watch, so you can open it up and see what someone has sent. Also, if someone calls you, you will also receive call from the WhatsApp as well. So you see you have incoming call, so you can pick it up and you can talk through it. Hey, what's up? Yep. So you see, absolutely awesome. So yeah, you can literally talk through the WhatsApp finally now as well on this watch. And for example, yeah, if I send a picture, as you see, I can also obviously receive it on the watch itself as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Okay, like